Hello everyone and welcome to the 10th video of the Learn HTML series. We've mainly talked about HTML elements which can show content on our page. But what about other pages? Sometimes we want to send our webpage user to other pages. We can do this by using links in our HTML file. Let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So I have my template file here. Let's open it with Notepad. Here we go. So links are found in nearly all web pages and they allow users to click their way from page to page. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document. So let's create a link with the A tag. The syntax for a link is A. Then we have href equals the URL of the link. Let's use Google. Then we close it. And let's call our link Google. Now, if we save this file as link.html, now if we open the file in a browser, we can see the Google text, and when you move the mouse over link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand, which means it is clickable. Now if you click it, we can see that the file is not found, so that means that the URL is incorrect. Let's fix this. So like this. If we save this and go back, refresh, and if we click it, we go to the Google page. So great. We've now created a link to Google. So the most important attribute of the A element or the link element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. Clicking on the link text will send the reader to the specified URL address. So by default, links will appear as follows in all browsers. So let's go back, open it in the browser. So unvisited link is underlined and blue. Ours is purple because we already visited it. And if the link is active, which means the moment you click on it, it is underlined and it is red. So these are the three different styles that a link can be. Now let's close this. Let's go back to our file. So by default, the linked page will be displayed in the current browser window. We can change this behavior, so we can specify another target for the link. Let's do this. Let's add the target attribute. Target equals, let's call this the blank. And let's save this, go back to our browser. So now when we click on it, it opens Google in another window, another tab. And this is all because of the target attribute. We can also create a link around other HTML elements. So we can, for example, make Google a h1 element. So like this. If we save this and go back to the browser, refresh, we can see that Google is now an h1 element, but if we click on it, it still goes to Google. So it is still a link. So we can now send the user to different web pages by using links in our HTML code. In the next video, we will learn more about images so we can display more than text on our web page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.